Hello, my name is John Taylor, and I'm one of the owners and president of Commercial Pest Management here in Phoenix. And I want to thank you for stopping by our website today. We're a pest control company totally dedicated to eliminating bed bugs in people's homes, condos, and apartments. If you've got a problem with bed bugs or simply a question, you've definitely come to the right place. We can help you. Please scroll down the page and read more about us, and you'll see why. When it comes to bed bug control, there is no other company that can match our level of customer service and expertise. We even have an entomologist on staff, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, who is only a phone call away at any time to answer questions or advise us on your particular bed bug situation. And be sure to read about our ultimate, no risk, 100% make you happy, money back guarantee. To put it simply, if you hire us to get rid of your bed bugs, you'll be 100% happy or you won't pay a penny, period. And be sure to click on the menu tabs at the top of the page, especially if you're an apartment manager, and find out more reasons why you should consider hiring us for bed bug control. If you've got a bed bug problem or simply a question, call Commercial Pest Management here in Phoenix at 623-299-5340 and ask for me, John Taylor. I'll be happy to speak with you at any time. I'm always on one phone call away, day or night, even the weekends. So call me. I hope to hear from you soon. Again, thank you for stopping by the website, and I hope you have a great day.